I signed up for the core program, which essentially has three subjects: financial accounting, business strategy, and economics for managers. I wasn't in the least bit surprised to find that the course will be a personal challenge to me in terms of breaking already set beliefs of my ways of working, adapting to a new learning environment that is both uniquely self paced, interactive, and inductive. It was rather humbling to find that there is a strong community participating actively globally who takes up this course. Inductive learning at Harvard Business School builds on reflection, intuition, and confidence. The course professionally really helped me. It refined my existing business consultation program. I was able to add and edit modules that pertain to relevant business terminology, market knowledge, and pricing. I built on confidence in forming standard operating procedures for my firm, and I had looked at work from a three-dimensional perspective, which is of a client, team, and operations. I gained expertise in pricing my services better, correlating it with current market dynamics, demands, competition, and customers' willingness to pay. My finances are finally aligned. Uh, Personally, I am more enterprising, goal oriented, and have been able to manage my personal and professional life, that is, working from home with a strong remote team better. The course is actually quite cheap considering what you gain, and there is none to lose. Yes, it is a 12-week extensive program, and it requires a lot of time. Not only does one gain a lifelong status of being a member of HBS or alumni, but also gains knowledge that uplifts personal development, business development skills for a person who may choose either of the following career paths. It could be either of being an entrepreneur or a professional. I would like to leave a thought for all the women out there. We never tend to think twice before investing in a set of gold bangles, saving it for a rainy day. Why do we then think twice before making a capital investment in building knowledge assets? खुदा ताला अकामुलानी उम्र शरीफ ने तारोज़ क़यामत ना दिन लग दराज़ ने दराज़ कर जो आमीन. Thank you so much for this opportunity.